Hi everyone, Grant Jacobson here at Elevate Physical Therapy in Ankeny. I want to talk about this month's exercise spotlight, the bird dog. The bird dog is a great exercise that we enjoy in the physical therapy clinic for people who need help with core strength or a lot of times dealing with back or hip pain. For those folks, the bird dog is a classic exercise. It's one that a lot of our athletes are already familiar with, but maybe they haven't done as effectively as they could in the past. I know for myself, the bird dog was an exercise that we didn't really take seriously when I was going through youth sports. And as I've learned more about it, I've learned how powerful it can be. So I've got Jake here to demonstrate with me. Jake's going to get up on his hands and knees on this table. With the bird dog exercise, positioning is crucial. So as we start with our patient, we're always going to make sure that they get their back into a nice neutral position. So Jake, I'll have you just flatten out just a little bit more here. Perfect, right there. So we're going to start with a nice back position here, knees under the hips, hands under the shoulders here. And then the way we're going to cue the patient here is two things. First, we're going to ask them to suck their abdomen towards their spine. Okay, we want to keep this posture, but we really want to engage these core muscles at the bottom. What Jake's going to do next then is to reach with his right arm and his left leg here at the same time. And the cue here is to reach out as far as possible, create some distance during this exercise. What a lot of patients will try and do is do more of a lift exercise, and that causes a lot of arching in the back. Jake's doing perfectly here. He's going to lower back down and then switch arms and switch legs. He's going to reach out with his left arm and his right leg. Perfect. What we're watching for here is nice level spinal posture and that the patient's not arching too much. Go ahead and relax back down there, Jake. That was excellent. All right. That's the bird dog, everyone. Thank you for joining us.